It is only Allah who gives status and power. It is only Allah who gives integrity. You don't buy integrity. You can be the president of a country, you cannot buy integrity. You can be a billionaire, you cannot buy status and integrity. Oh yeah, in the eyes of a few fake people, they would probably follow and obey, but that's only for what you can pay them. Other than that, in reality, no. True status integrity, which is what people are afraid of when people bad talk them, right? They give up. And that is something in Islam we don't. And I'm telling myself and I'm telling you and our viewers worldwide, when you remind people and you spread the message of Allah, a lot of people don't like to do this because, oh, people will condemn us, people will criticize us. Come on, don't worry about that. Allah gives us the courage here in al-izzata lillahi jamia. And then Allah says, Huwa as-sami'ul alim. Allah says, He hears what people say. And He has the knowledge of what they do and say. So you don't worry about that. Our judge is Allah. Our judge is Allah. We do the right thing. We remind people of the right thing. And that is what is expected because the prophets went through that kind of test. The prophets went through that kind of test. We read all the time, Surah Al-Kawthar. Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar fasalli li rabbika wanhar. Inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. What is Allah saying here? Inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. You know what Allah is saying? Certainly those who hate you, those who condemn you, they're the ones who will be the losers down the road. Allahu Akbar. Inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. You see, we read these surahs, but we must get the courage and strength of it. Inna shaniyaka huwa al-abtar. They down the road will be cut off, disconnected. They're the ones who will be the losers. Don't let these critics and these haters discourage us.